Good morning, guys. Today we have a 2019 Kia Soul. Customer lost the only keys, so we're gonna have to make keys from scratch. Let's start. So I'm gonna use Lishi HY22. This Lishi have 4 lifters. It have 2 A's, A bottom and A top, and it have B top and B bottom. It have 6 locations, 6 spaces, but we're gonna slide it in and we'll have to pick on both picks on each side. So all 4 lifters needs to pick the pins. So I'm gonna start with the B here. There you go. Now we're gonna decode. We're gonna decode those pins. So I'm gonna go to my Decode, and we're gonna find the vehicle. So we have a Kia Soul 2019. Search 6666 because we have A and B both sides of the key. So I'm gonna get that, and we're gonna start with the A. All right, so we're gonna use LXP90, and we're gonna put it inside the machine. I'm gonna go to the search. This is a KK10, and I'm gonna put the cuts that we just got from the door. And we're gonna cut it right now. I'm gonna cut it a little bit. I don't need to cut it thinner, so we're just gonna cut, and the machine is gonna cut. So it cut it on the first side. We're gonna test it on the second side. I'm gonna cut it, and it's gonna cut the second side. All right, so the key is ready. I'm gonna clean it up. Let's test it. Nice and easy. Unlock it. There you go. Now, even a 2019 Kia, if it was made in the US, there is no chip. So I'm gonna slide it right here. Easy. Thank you for watching. If you need any car keys in Charlotte, Lee, or Collier County in Southwest Florida, don't hesitate to call me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about Kia, Hyundai key making, don't hesitate to write in the comments, and I would love to answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.